Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's J.Lashae, and tonight I'm going to be showing you my night moisturizing routine for my locks that I do nightly to keep my hair good and moisturized. So just stay tuned and we'll get this video together. What you're going to need is a hydrator mist or hydration mist, whatever you choose to call it. And that normally consists of rose water, of aloe vera water. This is my natural hair care product hydration mist, and my Royal Crown hair growth oil, and my silk bonnet. So these are the three things that I want to be using. First, what I want to be doing is just spraying my hydration mist to get my hair nice and damp so I can moisturize it correctly. So you just want to spray. Make sure you get that scalp. Make sure you spray your hair good. I want to give your little hair a little quick massage. You always want to wake up that scalp. Stimulate those hair follicles with a little massage. I have the hydration mist sprayed, and my hair is the feeling that I wanted to have. You don't want to get it too wet, just a little damp. Doesn't have to be too wet. So now I'm going to go in with my Royal Crown hair growth oil. I'm just going to distribute this oil all over. This oil can be used for hot oil treatments, daily use, or just when needed. Get those edges. Now you want to give your hair another little massage to make sure you get all that goodness of the oil and the hydration mist massaged into your scalp. So yeah, it's my scalp now. And yeah, that's my night routine. And after that, I have to roll on my handy dandy bonnet. And now I'm ready to go to sleep. Thank y'all for watching my night routine for moisturizing my locks, aka lock routine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. If you're not, make sure you like, comment, share my videos, and I will definitely be back at you with more videos. Peace.